everyone, I'm Lee Sackett with Lee J Sackett Incorporated. We are here at the Minnesota State Fair, and today's spotlight tractor is this 1956 Farmall 400 High Clear. Let's start it up. The first step to starting it is to turn on the gas. Then we make sure it's in neutral, and then just turn the key. Up.
The Model 400 High Clear tractors were mainly used for farming cotton, rice, or sugarcane. This particular tractor was restored by Lee J Sackett Inc. for a collector in South Dakota. It didn't run when it came to the shop, so Lee's team got everything running and operating properly, including the optional power steering. Once mechanical repairs were completed, the team cosmetically restored the tractor by sandblasting, priming, and painting all of the individual parts. Dents and rust pits were repaired in all the sheet metal before it was painted. New gauges, belts, wiring, and hoses added the finishing touch.